Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a private link for an item in 1Password. Go ahead and open up 1Password on your PC, log in, for example, if you're on, for example, the app itself or the extension, you can always click your account and click on the option to, let's say, open and fill, and it's going to open up for you. You will need to enter your credentials, but once that is done, you will be able to log right into your profile, as you can see. Now you want to go ahead and click in vaults on the left side and open up whichever vault that you want to copy the private link for. And so let's say I want to do it for a book or whatever. I'm going to open up this vault that contains some PDF documents, a contract, for example, click on it. And so once I'm in this section, I can click the three dots and you have the option to copy private link, and you copy the private link, and that's it. You have the private link to this vault document that you have here. And so I'm going to enter my credentials again, and so that's pretty much it. And so that's it, guys. That's how you can easily copy a private link for items within a vault in 1Password.